Do you want to tell us what you're doing here, Erin?
Yeah, I'm just attaching the syringe, turning the tap so it's switched on.
So that's onto the patient now.
Yeah. I'm just going to withdraw 5 mils of blood to get rid of the saline that's in the line.
Right, so that's a combination of blood contaminated with the saline from the line.
Yeah.
And it's coming from the radial artery.
It is, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm just going to switch that off slightly so that you don't open it right round and get the saline in again.
Right. So this is the dedicated arterial gas syringe now, is it?
Yeah. I'm just turning the top back on.
Yep.
You just need to draw a mil.
So you've got 1 mil of arterial blood there. Fine.
Okay. Switching that back on.
Right.
And it's a sterile procedure throughout as well. So I'm just turning the tap onto the flush line now so that I can flush that part.
Right. So that's saline coming from the flush bag?
Yeah.
Which is the flush bag? Up there. Right. Fine, so that's just a reservoir of saline really, isn't it? Okay.
Okay. And I've turned it back on to the patient, and then again I'm going to flush this line so that there's no blood left.
Right, so you can leave it then till the next time?
Yeah.
So you can take arterial samples without having to re-stab the patient?
Yeah.
Yeah. And how long can these lines stay in for, Erin? Yeah, a few days anyway. Yeah.
But the lines get changed every 72 hours.
Yeah, right.
But the actual needle itself stays in longer than that.
As long as the entry site looks nice and clean, I think.
Yeah, absolutely.
We can actually see the entry site there, can't we, I think? So that's all ready now for the next time. That's stable again now.
Yeah.
I'll just go and put the blood in then.
Okay. There always needs to be a little bit of air in the end of the syringe.
A little bit of air in the end?
Yeah.
Right.
So you open up the port, insert the syringe, we go to the computer screen, press start. And then put in the patient ID, which we do off bed spaces, so I'm in bed space 7. Scroll down to the percent of oxygen they're on. The lady's on 60%, just enter. And then shortly the machine will tell me to remove the syringe.
So the machine's got all the blood it needs now,
yeah,
has it?
it's taken the sample. Right. And then you just wait for the results.
That wasn't too bad. Well, for us anyway. And that's it, there's the results.
That's all your results.
Good, that's very interesting, Erin, thanks very much.
You're welcome.